Joke lang. Icebreaker lang para doon sa mga naging emotional kanina. Grabe naman kasi sila eh. Relax na po. Thank you.
Okay. After nung ay, banggitin niyo lahat yung mga names niyo, ha? Sabay-sabay din. Okay. Okay na. Okay. I, Ellen Pichauco,
Ana Adriandra Dira Repulda,
do hereby solemnly swear to follow, protect, and propagate the goals and principles that Alden United has initiated towards the vision of having one family in unity with a community of supporters, regardless of group or affiliations, toward conveying support and admiration for Alden Richards, in which principles are grounded by faith, love, and the virtues of kindness, respect, equality, unity, and transparency. So help me God.
Yay!